Alright, what's up, y'all? So today I am going to teach you how to find out who unfollowed you while you're unfollowing them. I know a lot of people want to know how, where, when, why, and how to do this. So let's get right to it. First, go to Instagram.com, go to your profile, and you see that I have 1,487 people following. It was 1,700 people the other day, 1,700 plus. And I found out this method myself, and I did it before years and years ago, and I just refigured it out. And y'all can see that the follower ratio is pretty better than 1,700 following. So first you're gonna go to edit profile. Next you're gonna go to account center. So you're gonna press that. You gotta press it again. Come on now. Come on now. Come on now. And then after, you're going to go to your information and permissions, download your information, and as you can see, there's another downloaded thing that I did the other day, but keep clicking it, and then click download or transfer information. Some of your information, click that right there, and then you're going to scroll down to following and followers. Following and followers right there. Followers and following, same thing. Click next, click download to device, and the date range you're gonna select is all time. You want to see all time who unfollowed you while you're following them. And that's email is gonna be sent to your email and all that. So basically after that, just create files. Boom, it's going to be prepared, and they're going to let you know when it's ready. But for example, we're going to take this file right here that's already downloaded right there, as I downloaded it 3-4 days ago. I did that one. That's the one I unfollowed more than 200 people. So we're going to go to the website. First, you're going to find the file. The file is going to be downloaded. It's going to be clear, simple. But this is what my file name is right there. It's going to be right there. I know it disappeared, but we're going to find it right there. Boom. Click connections. Click followers and following. And these two files right here, followers 1 and following. Those two files, that's you're going to pay attention to. So keep those on mind. Then you're going to go to this website called compare2lists.com. I'm giving y'all free game right here. List 9 and list B. So you're going to want to put followers 1. Y'all see followers 1. Drag that to list A right there. Yep. You see that? Yep. And following. Drag that to list B. List B right there. And y'all seen the check mark right there? Instagram followers, keep that checked. It's going to be unchecked. I want you to keep that check right there. Check it up. And then you're going to click compare lists. Boom! Look at all the names. But I want y'all to focus on this one right here. Only in list B. These are the people right here that unfollowed you while you're unfollowing them. I know y'all hate that. I know y'all hate when people unfollow you. Here's the method right here. These are all the people that unfollowed you, and they didn't block you to make sure you didn't unfollow them too. They kept you as a follower. Boom, 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 while they unfollowed you. So, for example, to see since I unfollow most of these people, we're going to go to just one example for one account, which is Video Car. So copy and paste it. Go to Instagram. This is an example. Search. Boom. Video Car. Boom. You see how I'm following them, right? I'm going to unfollow them real quick. Boom. They're not following me. I did it, y'all. That's the method right there. I'm giving y'all free game. But since I love cars and I've been following this account for a long time, I'm going to keep following them. You know what I'm saying? But all those accounts, people that you know, people that unfollowed you, I found out so many people that unfollowed me that I know, I unfollowed them back. Yeah, I found the method, y'all. This is the method to make all y'all unfollow the people that you know. You would be surprised at people that you know. People that you know unfollowed you. Look at all these names. 444 Sky. Just Ash. I unfollowed all of them. All of them are unfollowed. So y'all, do not just copy this whole method. It's simple. It's easy. Look how much people are following me. And I'm following them. You don't have to worry about the far right in both lists or only in list A. Worry about only in list B. The middle is your golden key to finding out who unfollowed you. And all those names I unfollowed. People that I know or people that I follow, I unfollowed all of them. So take this gem, y'all, that I'm giving to you and make this viral. And yeah, I'm the one that, figured it out. I figured it out for y'all. I just wanted to let y'all know I am the founder of this, or one of the founders, and I'm putting y'all on to make sure you can unfollow all people that you follow. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little tutorial that I made, and get to unfollowing. It's gonna take a while. It took me like an hour and a half or an hour to an hour and a half to unfollow like 200 people. But get to it and get to unfollowing for these fake people, man.